Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fanny Febrianto. My identity number is 2115061061. And here I will present the question that I have made. Number one, Sarah, what do you plan to do next Sunday? Hendra, nothing. What about you? Sarah, I blank 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 to the game store. Can you join me? Hendra, sure. The answer is B. Am I going to go? Because the dialogue above talk about a plan that will be carried out. Then the correct tense is simple future tense. The form used is be going to. Number two, when learning English pronunciation, what the best way to overcome the fear of people will look at me? The answer is A. Keep learning without caring about other people negative comment. Because by continue to learn without caring about other people's negative comment, we will focus more on learning English pronunciation. Number three, Mardi to Surabaya, Dedi, next month. The answer is the answer is B. When will you move? Because the correct interrogative sentence is when will you move? Because Dedi answer is next month, which means next month, so that the dialogue above use the simple future tense. Number four, I usually walk to work Saturday. The answer is A, on. Because this preposition is usually used to describe time and place. In describing time, the preposition is used when you want to describe a specific day. Number five, Putri, what do you plan to do next Sunday? Dardi, nothing. What about you? Putri, I to the beach. Can you join me? Dardi, sure. The answer is B. I'm going. Because the dialogue talk about a plan, so the correct tense is simple future tense. The form used is am going to. Number six, do you want to join us for the coming holiday? Gani, where are you going? Dede, to Pangandaran Beach. Gani, my family plan to visit my grandfather in the village. The answer is D. I am not sure because Gani's family already has planned to visit his grandfather in the village. He refuses the invitation from Dede. Number seven, what preposition do we use when we give the full address like street number? And the answer is C, at, because at used for very accurate place. For example, the name of the address with the address number. For example, I live at 20 Green Street. Number 8, Noni, when you go there? Nana, I think next week. The answer is C, will, because next week's indicating that the sentence as an action that will be carried out in the future tense. So the correct word is will. Number 9, I have ever read that comic. What kind of present perfect tense does this sentence belong to? The answer is positive because there is no sentence not. Number 10, there a letter for you from Barry. The answer is because in a sentence, a preposition is almost always followed by another word in the form of pronoun or an object prefix followed by a noun. Then the answer is because the number of item is only one is indicated by use of the determinant. Number 11, you me a message last night. The answer is B, send. Because as with the negative form, in the interrogative form, the main verb used is verb 1. Number 12, my father a car. The answer is has never bought, because since this sentence is a negative present perfect verbal, is used the formula subjects plus have or has plus never plus past participle or verb 3 plus complement. Number 13, Henry, this letter is in French and I don't speak a word in French. Can you help me? Cecil, sure. I it for you. The answer is will translate. Because in this conversation, Cecil offered her help in translating the letters she received. Cecil did it because he voluntarily wanted to do it without him planning it in advance. 14 children and 1 boy, 2 boy are including in the plural of nouns. The answer is B, irregular and regular, because regular noun means that change in noun from singular to plural or simply by adding, while irregular noun occur regularly. Vary. 15, Nana, Jane, Shirley. Yes, she is typing a letter in her room now. The answer is A. Did you see? Because in the dialogue, Nana asked Shirley if she has ever seen Jane. So the correct sentence to fill in the missing sentence is did you see? Because it asks for past event, so it uses the simple past tense. 16, I to the beach yesterday. The answer is when, because in the past tense using verb to. 17, where's Danny? The answer is he is having a shower, because the question means where is Danny now. The answer is now the Danny is taking shower. So the most appropriate answer is he's having shower. 18, it a very good day. The answer is because in this question, in the simple present to the to be formula, it is. 19, do they kick your hand? The answer is, are you hand kicked by them? because the question sentence use the present with the word do and the subject's they. Then the passive form is your hand kicked by them. 20. I told him I something to show to his sister last week. The answer is had because in the sentence above it shows the time of last week, which meant the activity occurred in the past and has no connection until now. Then the most appropriate answer is had. 21. Sasi, what was your sister doing that when you arrived home last night? Bunny, she in the kitchen. The answer is she was cooking because the most appropriate expression to answer Nuki, the answer Sasi question is she was cooking because the question contain the past continuous tense which is marked with a adverb of the time when arrived. 22. I have written question in my handphone. The answer is question have been written by in my handphone because active sentence use the present perfect with subject I. The passive form of the question has been written by me in my handphone. 23. You finished your food? The answer is have. Because in the simple present perfect tense formula, the interrogative sentence for the subject you to be is have. For I, you, we, they used to be have while he is it use has. Because the question use auxiliary are and use the verb driving which mean so the most appropriate answer is present continuous tense. 24. What are you driving? Is included in tense. The answer is D, present continuous tense, because the subject use is I according to the formula of the past continuous tense, namely subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object. "25. I reading a comic when you came. The answer is A, was. 26. He has just now. The answer is C, gone. Because the question above is the present perfect tense, which is tense used to express experience, change, and something or ongoing activity, or use for an activity that was complete in a short time, just finished. So the answer above is gone because in the present perfect tense is used verb 3. 27. Haikal like to eat ice cream. The answer is A, active voice. Because the sentence is active voice because the sentence is the subject of doing something or doing a job. And the sentence is in accordance with the active voice formula. Subject plus verb plus object. 28. Which Which of the following is included in the present perfect tense? The answer is A. I have bought a new smartphone. Because generally the present perfect tense is tense to tell an action or action that is in the progress or has just been complete. 29. There were cleaning bathroom. The answer is A. Bathroom was being cleaned by them because the active sentence use continuous past with the subject they. The passive form is bathroom was being cleaned by them. 30. My young brother bowed to his friend. The answer is D. Has broke. Because since the subject is my young brother, the to be is has and verb use is verb 3 because sentence is present perfect tense. Number 31. My mother fixes the car yesterday. Passive voice is the answer is D. The car was fixed by my mother yesterday because the sentence in the question refer to the simple past tense. Number 32. We would not lose our pencil if we in the class. The answer is C. Had left. Because the predicate in the main sentence show a type 3 conditional sentence. So the verb in the clause, if clause is had plus verb 3 or been. Number 33. Which one is an active sentence? The answer is D. I will buy the book tomorrow. Because for the answer A, B, C are passive sentence. Because subject is subject to work or action, while answer D is an active sentence because the subject is doing a job or action. 34. I have stayed here last July. The answer is since. Because for with past sentence, past, present, and future time period, for refer to period of time. For example, 3 years, 4 years, for her, age, long time, month, years. Since used to describe even with a point in time. In the past, I have stayed here since last October. Can see the word since refer to an earlier point in time. 35. They will be paid. The answer is A, passive voice. Because the sentence is passive voice, because the sentence whose subject does not do any work, and the sentence is in accordance with the formula subject plus auxiliary verb be plus main verb plus participle plus optional. That's all I can say. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.